Cardamom chai is cozy, but pour it over cream-filled bread. That's viral magic. Start by boiling 500 milliliters water and 500 milliliters milk on high heat. Once warm, add 5 crushed cardamom pods. Crushing releases their aroma. Then stir and pull the tea gently. When it begins to slightly boil, add 3 tablespoons tea dust and reduce the heat to medium-high. Let it come to a full boil. The tea will begin to rise at this point, which is why we stir and pull again to control it while building a smooth, rich texture. Then cover with the lid slightly open to avoid overflow while keeping the heat in. After 5 minutes, uncover and add 6 tablespoons brown sugar. It gives a deeper caramel flavor and richer color. Then boil for 3 more minutes, pulling in between to enhance the texture. The tea is now done. Time to prepare the bread. Whip 100 grams of dairy cream for 4 minutes until fluffy, optionally adding sugar for extra sweetness. Spread the cream between 2 bread slices. Place them in a deep plate and pour the hot cardamom tea over. Let it soak, soften, and melt into the cream. And just like that, you've got a warm, spiced dessert you can sip and scoop in every bite.